friends, and welcome to another adventure. Today I am here in Holland. I am in the south of the Netherlands at Arnhem, which is an open air museum. And I'm here with my family. We're here to visit our family in the north of the Netherlands, but I thought it'd be fun to come and see this really cool museum where what they do is they dismantle old buildings from other parts of the Netherlands and they reassemble them here, and then you can visit them. So we're going to see windmills, we're going to see houses, and they actually have costume characters. It's pretty cool. So come along and you'll get to see all of the Netherlands in one place here at Arnhem Open Air Museum. Here they have gardens showing different kinds of species that were grown. This is demonstrating what looks like poppies for poppy seed, but also they had a flax demonstration field because linseed oil, as you might have seen in my previous video, was important because they made it in the windmills. There are lots of windmills being used for different things. This is an Archimedes screw attached to a windmill, so it's like a water pump. And all throughout the day here, they have performances. So they have these picnic areas, but then they also have activities and performances. This looks like a temporary exhibition. Sometimes they have different exhibitions. And then to get around, you take a little old-fashioned tram. Over there with the smoke rising, that is an actual dairy that was taken from Friesland and brought down here brick by brick and reassembled, and all the machinery inside still works. So here's the old cheese and dairy factory. And just to give you a sense of how they do this, they transport these buildings and then they even put the machinery back together, and it works. See all the gears turning. Offices and school up there. So it's kind of fun. They recreate all of the Netherlands in one place, all the way down to the vehicles, and the vehicles work. They actually had one of these old Model A's driving around when we first arrived here. Whoa.
Wow.
Peat house, or sod house.
Yeah, sod house.
Cool.
I wouldn't mind living in this.
It's cozy.
Yeah.
Do you know the Dutch word for cozy?
I don't.
It's gezellig.
Huzzah. There would be animals here, however.
Yeah.
So this is an old farmhouse that's been recreated. A farmhouse over in the opposite end was brought here in 1974. These thatch roof farms look very historic, and you think, well, they probably don't have those nowadays, but they do. They still use thatch as a primary mode of roofing houses, particularly in the north. Chickens. So thatch is made of reeds. And you can see them actually growing along the side of the roads in Holland. Cool old barn. Look at that.
It's like a Viking longhouse a little bit.
Yeah, it is a little bit like that.
Spinnerbeel, that's for making yarn.
Oh, that one's one that's been used.
So we call that a ja-knikker because it means it looks like it's nodding. Yes.
And so a yacht
That's what is it? Yes.
is what?
Ja means yes, and a knikker means a nodder.
Okay.
So it's basically
Knicker means nodding, and it
Yeah.
has nothing to do with any other naughty implications that the word sounds
a
like.
knikker is also another word for marble.
Marble. Okay.
Okay, and here we have a little village that's been recreated with the church. We actually just saw a demonstration inside one of the houses where they were baking a traditional cake. Oh, and there's a play park for kids too. So that's how you get around here at Arnhem on an old tram. Here they're recreating World War I soldiers discussing their experience in World War I in Dutch. So outside of each of the buildings, they have descriptions in English, and it tells you when the building was built and when it was moved. So 1812 farmhouse, that is now the little local cafe, but moved here in 1957. So this museum's been around for a while. And it's a working cafe, actually. You can sit and have a little snack. You have games on the tables to play.
This is an old they call it an herberg, which basically indicates that there's also a place to sleep.
Oh. Yeah, like auberge. Oh, look who waited and waited.
All right, you go. Come on.
Oh, close. All right, Luca. Luca's up. Go. Come on, you can do it, Luca. Oh, so close. This is cool. So this is like a period house from maybe the 50s. Little Dutch row house.
Oh, that's so funny.
With the steep stairs. And a little courtyard, just to kind of show you what normal workers' housing might have been. So this is an actual, genuine 1970s Dutch house.
Yeah, this is exactly what my house looked like as a kid. I remember this. We had a black and white TV.
Oh, that was the kind of tape recorder my grandfather had because he was a musician. So he'd record on that. My 70s woman does not look amused. She looks, oh, she's pouring more coffee. That's why. She's like, ugh, more guests, more coffee. Because that's what happens when you visit somebody in the Netherlands. They get you a coffee. I think we've had 5 cups today.
The thing with mannequins is so creepy to me. It reminds me of the one museum, the war museum in
Catania, I know.
Where you like have to sit down and go through the bombing.
So this is an old farmhouse from Limburg from the 1700s. The creepy wax statues he's referring to is right here. Recreating a house from the 1700s. Stops on the tram. So we are now on the tram.
Yeah.
What do you think about Arnhem?
It's really cool.
I mean, you can see it in the remise. It's called remise.
Oh yeah, we saw it in the bar. Is it blue?
You've been there already?
Yeah, I think so. No, I don't think so. No.
It is a rail museum with trams and trains. Luca's very excited. Luca loves trains. He always has since he was little. It's a blacksmith shop. Oh, and they're actually doing it.
Oh my gosh.
Wijkel wordt ook warm. Af en toe even afkoelen. Probeer een ritme aan te houden van 3 keer slaan. Je hoort al sissen. Nou zie ik hier een teken, een donkere vlek.
So if you come and you time your visit to Arnhem the right way, they have demonstrations and shows and things. So they have a little weaver's hut. They're not open now because we came a little late, but you could. They also have concessions. You can go get poppetjes, which are the Dutch little baby pancakes. What an absolutely pleasant thing to do. Accessible to people of all activity levels, kids, adults. It's very cool. Okay, this is like the cutest thing I think I've seen in a long time. How sweet. It's a boat maker in here.
Working at it.
So this is like a little fishing hut. And we're going way back in time here with traditional Dutch clothing. The colors are so cute. There's the fancy and famous Delft blue pottery. They would keep on the walls. Oh, and look at all of the clogs. And you know, you probably, well, you may know this, but I learned clogs were worn mostly for milking cows, so the cows wouldn't step on your feet.
Rosé is hier.
Rosé is here.
Maar geen rode wijn. Nee.
Coffee chips. They're very good.
All right, have a bite.
Is dit een Pinot Grigio of rosé?
So if you're coming to the Netherlands, I think this has to be a stop. It was about an hour and 15-minute drive from Schiphol Airport. So if you fly into Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam, you could rent a car and drive straight here, and this could be the first thing you do. Although we are discovering this could have used a lot more time. We were only here for a couple of hours, but you could spend a whole day and plan ahead to see what events are happening throughout the day. So highly recommended Arnhem Open Air Museum here in the southern part of the Netherlands.
Yeah, I'll give the rest to you guys.
No.
I just want to get a couple of them. No, I'm not going to eat it all. Crazy. I'm an
One
old man. I get fat.